Hi, welcome to our course on 10 things that you are doing wrong in Excel. In this course, I will teach you why each of these mistakes is very critical and how you can stop these to make your work easier. This is a short course, extremely beginner friendly. We have at every step tried to illustrate how you can spot these mistakes and how you can quickly fix them. Just building these kind of best practices when you initially start working with data will really hold you in good stead as you move forward in your career, because these tiny mistakes can really pile up on top of each other and just add a lot of extra hours in having to pre-process your data, clean your data, or ultimately spend a lot more time jumping through hoops and writing complicated formulae in order to perform simple operations. So let's not waste any time and jump right into the course.